Hey guys, Rich Munroe here at Diamond Edge Properties. We're out here at one of our new vacation rental properties that we're about to do a rehab on. It's up on Lake Lanier. And wanted to jump out and tell you guys about our upcoming workshop for short-term rentals 401. It's going to be on October 1st from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. And we're doing a deep dive on how to manage short-term rental properties for other investors and other owners. We've built up a scalable business, and you also have access to the other recordings for short-term rentals 101, 201, and 301 that basically give you the basics on setting up the properties and also the rental arbitrage model. And so we hope you guys can join us October 1st, and we look forward to digging into and kind of showing you guys this other exciting new revenue stream that you can explore. Once you've got your own short-term rental set up, you can actually go out and do this for other folks. And we typically earn between 20 to 25% of the gross rental revenue on those properties. And so it's a great additional income stream for you guys to pursue. So hope to see you guys there. We'll put some information down in the information down below.